Japan has a new wrinkle. Along with its fertility crisis, the country is facing aging crisis too. Its population is the oldest in the world. The country is on the brink of not being able to maintain a social function. Almost 40,000 people died alone in their homes in Japan during the first half of 2024, a report by country's police shows. Of that number, nearly 4,000 people were discovered more than a month after they died, and 130 bodies went unmissed for a year before they were found, according to the National Police Agency. The agency hopes its reports will shed light on the country's growing issue of vast numbers of its aging population who live and die alone. Taken from the first half of 2024, the National Police Agency data shows that a total of 37,227 people living alone were found dead at home, with those aged 65 and over accounting for more than 70% in the country. In April, the Japanese government introduced a bill tackling the country's decades-long loneliness and isolation problem, partially caused by the country's aging population. Japan has long tried to counter its aging and declining population, but the shift is becoming hard for the country to manage. Last year, Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said his country is on the brink of not being able to function as a society because of its declining birth rate. Japan is not only the country that facing aging in the world is aging in a rapid rate. This is pushing us into a new era in human history. By 2030, 34 nations will have over 20% of its population aged over 65. This includes Germany, Italy, Canada, France, and US. Deference towards older generation is waning, young are frustrated, and they say that they are being held back. This population disparity due to fertility crisis is becoming a great concern not only in Japan but in the whole world.